Hey y'all, it's Nancy, the Handy Scandy here for Whimsy Stamps. Thanks for joining me today. And I want to welcome you to the Whimsy Stamps and Cardstock Warehouse Instagram and video hop. So first I'm going to get started on our project here, and then I'll come back and tell you more about the hop. But we're also going to have some quiet time while we watch some coloring. So a little bit of both. Right now I am going through the packet of cardstocks provided by Cardstock Warehouse, comparing the white to the shimmer of the white envelope and the white card bases that they provided us, because it's absolutely stunning. And I went ahead and stamped out my cute little piggy images from Whimsy Stamps and coloring them up with my Olos. And here we're just going to watch the coloring, and I'll be back in just a bit. And so now that I have everything all colored up, I'm pulling out my coordinating dies instead of fussy cutting. If you are not new here, you know that I tend to be a fussy cutting fool. But this time I wanted to use the dies. I have them, I may as well use them. And I think they're super sweet. And then I put them with the coordinating pattern paper that I'm going to use, and I absolutely adore them. So real quick about these papers, and then I'll tell you more about the hop. Again, the papers are provided by Cardstock Warehouse, and as you can see, the colors are vibrant, they're beautiful, they're very thick and have a nice strong body, if that makes any sense. They take color very well. As you'll see, I do a little bit of ink blending. They die cut beautifully, and I also run them through an embossing folder to add some tone on tone texture, and it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. It takes that texture beautifully, and I just can't speak highly enough. So I would encourage you guys to, if you're not familiar with Cardstock Warehouse already, hopefully this will do that for you. This will be a good introduction, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the hop, as I think everything that's happening on screen is pretty much self-explanatory. Excuse me, but I do want to say, if there's anything that's not, or if you have questions about anything that I'm doing, any supplies that I'm using, please drop those questions downstairs in the comment box, comment section, and I will definitely try to answer your questions down there the best that I can. So before I get into the hop details, you're probably noticing something a little bit different. Whimsy's going through some changes, and we are, at least for this hop, I'm not sure how things are moving forward. For this hop, all of the videos in the video hop are on the Whimsy channel. So that is different. I believe there are 4 of us that are doing videos. For the most part, this is an Instagram hop. So you will find most of the inspiration over there. And goodness, how many? I'm looking at the list to see how many of us. I don't know the number. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a dozen, maybe more. That many people are participating over on Instagram. There are 4 of us here on YouTube. So I encourage you to hop over to Instagram. If you're starting here on YouTube, if you just got an alert or whatever and you're starting here, I encourage you to go over to Instagram as well. So there will be prizes. I believe there is one to be given here on YouTube, so you want to make sure that you watch all the videos, you like, you comment, subscribe, all those good things. Here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. But the comment is really the key thing. That's what gets you registered, or I don't know. I don't know the word, eligible to win. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. So make sure that you do that. All of the other details are going to be downstairs in the description box. This is only open in terms of the giveaway for a few short days, so you want to make sure that you act quickly. Yeah, there's a $50 gift card or gift certificate to Whimsy Stamps, and prize pack from Cardstock Warehouse includes the Island Breeze Cardstock Multi-Pack, which is what the creators were provided, and that also includes some card bases and envelopes from their Star Dream range. And I don't know if you noticed that in the beginning, but so shimmery, so beautiful. And I just don't know that the camera, my camera anyway, does that justice. I did use one of the Star Dream card bases for this card, and it's absolutely stunning. And you'll see in the end that I actually come back in with some bling from card. This calls for confetti. Sorry, my words, you know how that goes with me. But I wanted that to kind of mirror that shimmeriness of the card base itself. So sorry, I digressed a little bit. But yeah, I just want to make sure that you understand that this is more an Instagram hop than it is a Facebook hop or a YouTube hop. It's not Facebook at all. Even though some of us may post on Facebook just to alert you, all of the action is taking place either here on YouTube with these 4 videos, but mostly over on Instagram with all of the other inspiration and projects being shared over there. So make sure that you hop around, that you do all those things. Check out all of the requirements downstairs in the description box. Each creator is going to have that information. So if you miss it on one, you'll definitely be able to find it on the next. So yeah, I think that about covers it, but I just want to make sure that you guys are aware how amazing this is, right? Whimsy Stamps, I talk about how amazing Whimsy is all the time. You guys are amazing, and now we add Cardstock Warehouse into the amazing mix, and I just can't. I feel so honored. I'm so pleased that you guys joined me here today. I encourage you once again to hop along, go see all the other amazing creativity and fun, and just have a good time. Be inspired, become eligible to win. But from here, if you haven't already seen the other videos, I encourage you to hop over and do that, and then hop over on Instagram and do the same. Tell them Nancy sent you. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Again, I'm here for Whimsy Stamps. Everything is downstairs in the description box. Until next time, mwah, I'm out.